Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how to use Hugging Face LLMs in N8N. So without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to log in on our N8N account. Once done, go to Personal and then choose the workflow that we want to use for this project. And then we're going to add on first step and we're going to search Basic LLM Chain. From here, we're going to type the message that we want to send. And then we're going to click on this icon right here to add our model. For this video, we're going to use Hugging Face LLM. So we're going to search Hugging Face Inference Model. And then we're going to make a new credential on this drop-down menu. To continue, we will be needing an API key. So we're going to log in to our Hugging Face account. And then we're going to click on our profile and we will go to settings. From here, we're going to click on access tokens on the left panel and then we're going to create a new token right here. Put in our token name. It's done. Create token. From here, we're going to copy this link. We're going to put it on our N8N API key. Click enter and then save. And then we're going to go back to Hugging Face account and click on the model that we want to use for this project. For this, we're going to choose flux.1-context-dev. We're going to go back to N8N and paste this on our model. And we're going to go back and that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!